Hello everyone, welcome to you in this playlist. In this playlist, we're going to learn about information gathering. First of all, we need to learn about what is information gathering in pen testing. I can give you a simple definition about information gathering. If you take a look at the screen, you can see there is a simple definition of information gathering. So what is information gathering? Information gathering is the first and fundamental step in the success of penetration testing. The more useful information you have about a target, the more you can find vulnerabilities in the target and find more serious problem in the target by exploiting them. So what this statement means to you? Answer is simple. As a pen tester, we're trying to find some vulnerabilities in the system. So how we will know where is the problem? So we need to know lot of information and we need to gather lot of information before start testing or before start our pen testing. This one is the first step of a pen tester, to gather as much as information they know about the target. It may be a company, it may be a website. Actually there are two types of information gathering. One is called active information gathering. Second one is passive information gathering. What is active information gathering? If you just take a look at the screen, you can see it means whenever we engage with target to get information is called active information gathering. So what this means? It means when we involved our target, maybe it could be a company or employer, maybe employee work in this company, maybe someone who is managing the website. If we involve them in our information gathering process, this one is called active information gathering. Then what is passive information gathering? It means when we collect publicly available information, what is actually publicly available about target without engaging with target is known as passive information gathering. So it's simple. When the target don't know how we are collecting their information, maybe there's some information publicly available on various search engine or maybe in some website or maybe in their social media. If we are collecting this information, this one is called passive information gathering. Now we know what is information gathering. We know types of information gathering. Next thing we need to know why we need information gathering. If you take a look at the screen, you can see simple answer here. Information gathering is necessary when performing any type of cybersecurity task because it gives us more knowledge about the target system and the network in order to make an informed decision on how we want to proceed with an attack vector. We may find some vulnerabilities or maybe we can find some valuable information which should not out there. Using this information, we will decide how we will test their system.